Welcome to the blackbox22 training videos. In this video we'll be importing a point file. In the last video we created point code mapping. In this one we're going to bring in points and we're going to look at that point code mapping. So I go into Blackbox, I'm going to click on this icon here, it's point file, or I can come in here and I can go import point files. So I'm going to go point file. The format I'm going to bring in is points northing, easting, elevation, and description is comma delimited. And there's all the different formats, and a user can click on here and create some of their own. I'm going to go select, and I'm going to go to my file here. So I'm going to go into my Blackbox directory, and I've got a file here called manholes only. I'm going to go open, and it populates it here so I can see the number, the northing, easting, elevation, description. Now if one of those headers isn't correct, I could easily just click on this and change it to one that I want. Okay, so I'm happy with everything in there. Now down at the bottom it says create structures in the Explorer tree. So if I click on this, it's going to put a check in all of those. And what this means is it says look at the point code mapping, and if you find that mapping, I would like you to create an asset in our Explorer tree. So we have our SWMHs and we got some SSMHs. So I'm going to go OK. And it comes up and it finds some points that haven't been mapped yet. Now a user has the ability to just say ignore and continue. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add another one. So SWIC here. So I'm going to go point code mapping. And I'm going to go in here and I'm going to add another one. And this one's going to be a fitting. And we'll come in here and we'll say, well, it's an end cap. Okay, we can put in our defaults. I'm just going to click on this. And we'll click on the green button here and I'll go SWIC star. And go OK and OK. And actually that's probably not a fitting here, so let's just go in here and let's go pit, and we got a inspection chamber is what it is, and we can go set the default, so I'm not going to worry about that. So I'm going to go OK, and now I'm going to say rerun the mapping, and now it only finds this SSIC. So you can see you can go through there and add it. Now I'm just going to go ahead and say ignore and continue. It says structures generated and I go OK. And now in my Explorer tree I now have a category called stormwater and I got one sewage. So I expand this out, I got points, and I expand this out, and inside in here you can see all the different assets that I've imported. Now these assets at the moment have just been imported. The icon is gray and we'll be looking at editing these at a later time.